Okay, before you replace the screen, you can disconnect the battery first. It's 1% more safer, but I won't do that because for me it's just wasting time. So just remove the screen bezel. Just fridge the edge of the bezel and it'll pop out. Okay, it came out. And remove the 4 screws. Alright, flip this over. And disconnect the LCD cable. Boom. Put this in garbage. And place a new screen. And connect it. So when you connect the LCD cable without removing the battery, disconnecting the battery, do not like slide around the connector. You always connect the LCD cable at once. Place it and click. Okay, then you're not gonna kill the motherboard or LCD backlight. Okay, so I put this on, turn it on again, test the LCD, which is good. I'll turn it off. And secure the LCD onto the housing. Okay, so I always retighten the hinge connector when you open this bezel. So I'm gonna retighten it. Yeah, it's a little loose. Okay, and put the bezel back on. That's it. Super simple. Okay, doesn't want to click. Okay, if it doesn't click properly, open it up. LCD cable, place the LCD cable in proper position. and it'll click better. Very nice, no gap. Test again.